Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix slow charging on your Nothing Phone 4a. So first, what you guys want to do is diagnose why the phone charges slowly. So, one of the main reasons could be the wrong charger, so not the original one, dirty USB-C port, and a power-hungry background apps. So, what you guys can do is simply check the charger first. So of course I do not have the original charger with me, so that might be one of the reasons, but this actually does its job for most of the phones. And now what you guys want to do is make sure that your USB-C port is clean. So we got it right here. Now you guys can pretty much see it, that it is not dirty. It is actually very clean. And after that, what you guys want to do is make sure that your power hungry background apps are either disabled or simply not allowed by you or the system. So we're going to go to the settings, and here what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to battery. Now we're going to go to battery usage, and here in the battery usage we got everything. So we can see the background, we can see the screen time, and as you guys can see, for example, Nothing X, we can disable allowing background usage, and now it won't run in the background, so it's one app less. And that's what you guys can basically do for some apps, so like Google Play Store. Now it's disabled and our background will not be 2 hours and 40 minutes anymore. So that might be one of the reasons, of course. And you need to go over and confirm that your charger that was included with the phone actually delivers the speed. And of course you can verify it with a device, but I do not have it, so I really cannot show it to you. But as a last resort, it might also be the software update that will fix the entire situation, because sometimes the issue may be with the software itself. So we're going to scroll down to About Phone. Here we're going to click on Nothing OS 4.1 and tap on the Nothing OS. As you guys can see, we got the latest version. Now all we have to do is restart the phone, and you need to make sure that you restart yours too if you got the new update installed already. If not, then you first install it and then you will restart the phone. Make sure you're on the latest version, it is very important, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.